welcome to It's Raining Games. I'm Rain. There is no Naka for this. Now, I'm sure you're aware by now that there apparently is no way to record my regular way of recording for PS4, at least not yet. So I have to use the Twitch option, which has been very reliable. Select applications, so microphone audio is being... Okay. Well, I don't know how much of that you got, but I can't record my normal way, so I have to use Twitch. Which means probably shitty video quality, because it's based on my internet access, which is good, but apparently not good enough for Twitch. Now, it seems like somebody's getting drowned. Yeah. Alright. Why are you torturing me?
Wake up, friend.
I'm awake.
We thought about giving up the ghost now, didn't we? Fancy another round?
Sure. Boy, just delicious. Look at them bubbles. Oh shit, I think I'm gonna pass out. Okay, oh my god. Like about enough now. Why are you doing it? Oh, you're doing it for nothing, okay.
I was just getting started.
Did you just dick punch me?
Sorry. We'll come back and have another go later.
I preferred if you stayed away from my dick, thank you.
Come on, get up. Up you get.
Dick.
Come on, you. Pick it up. Sweet dreams, mate.
Thanks, mate. So, I'm a criminal. Awesome. Let's break out of this shit. Assassin's Creed the shit out of this shit. How can I see my own face? This is impossible. That's what you get when you don't feed me and you torture me all day. I got a few days in me, don't you worry. Wait, I was gonna say that wasn't me?
Just a few more steps.
12th day of November. I was born 103 years later.
Not so hard, was it? Here we go again.
Ancestor. Don't you drown my ancestor? He's like my great-great-great-great-grandpa, perhaps? Actually, that was
You
his
about ready? These things take time.
great-grandpa.
Put him back in.
Great-great. I have to look back like that too. Yeah, yep. Oh yeah, there you go, boom.
Boy,
Done.
you little shit.
Yeah, killed you. Totally did that for the cinematic. Bitch, please. How do you like it? Yeah. Yeah, bitch. I'ma drown you, motherfucker. Yeah. That's what you get. Took a long time for me to break out of those. Ah, shit, I need the key. pressing? Oh, pressing the whole triangle. On the prompt. Cheers. Let's break out of this joint. I'm looking around. What else is there? I loot the guards. No, I gotta slowly walk to the door. Following them steps. There's other guards, man. Quiet the fuck down. Oh, you guys are observing. Okay, I can do this. While pushing forward on the left stick, click L3 to move back. Free me. Oh, it's a nice cup of tea over there. I'm gonna go drink that. What if I want the tea? I don't care about the gun, I'm thirsty. Left stick to look at objects. Cool. It's empty. Thank God there's bullets.
Just my luck.
Bullets on the table, you idiot. Alright, fine. I won't take those bullets. I'm going to have to lock that. Or shoot that, I mean. Okay then. You have to tell me every time I have to move. Use this to move. Thanks, Tips. Use this to move. Thanks, Tips. Okay. Not drop the lantern to burn us all down, that's for sure. Motherfucking monster? There's motherfucking monsters in this prison? God damn it! Kill those bastards. Lock me up in here.
Hands up. All right, mates. Not a word. Inside. Close them.
Let's just talk this through, shall we? You're him, aren't you?
Yep. I'm him.
Convict everyone's talking about.